In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Google Drive in Google Chrome in Windows Laptop/PC. To get started, open Google Chrome on your Windows laptop or PC. In the address bar at the top, type drive.google.com and press Enter. Once the page loads, sign into your Google account if you are not already signed in. Enter your account details on the sign-in screen and continue until you reach your Drive homepage. After you are logged in, you will be able to see your files, folders, and available storage space in one place. Google Drive is useful because it lets you access your content from almost any device with an internet connection. There is also a quick shortcut you can use in the future. If you are already signed into Google Chrome with your Google account, look at the top right corner of the browser window and click the Google Apps icon. When the menu opens, select Drive. It is a simple way to save time, especially if you use Google services often. Now let us upload files or folders from your Windows computer into Google Drive. On the left side of the Drive page, click the large New button. A menu will appear with different options. To upload a single file, choose File Upload. To upload an entire folder, choose Folder Upload. After that, a Windows file selection window will open. Browse through your computer and find the file or folder you want to add. Click it, then confirm your selection. Google Drive will begin uploading it right away. When the upload is complete, your file or folder will appear in Google Drive where you can open it, move it, or keep it stored safely online. That covers everything you need to know.